of our favorite friends. Let's take them out and count them one by one. This is gonna be so much fun.
Open up the toy box, what can we see? So many fun toys for you and for me. Let's count them all together, let's all play along, singing our happy toy box counting song.
The first toy that we find is big and round and red. One bouncy ball bounces off the bed.
It goes boing, 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 up and down the hall. One big and happy, bouncy, bouncy ball.
The next toys that we find have wheels that spin around. Two shiny cars making a vrooming sound.
They race across the floor, so shiny, fast and new. One car for me, and one car for you. Vroom, vroom! Counting up our toys, hip, hip, hooray. We can count and we can play all day.
Learning numbers is the best game in the land, with all our amazing toy friends close at hand.
Now what is in the corner of the box so deep?
3 rubber ducks that squeak, squeak, squeak.
They love to swim around when it's time to take a bath.
3 happy little duckies on their bubbly path. Now what are these we find? They're red and green and blue. 4 building blocks for me and for you.
We can stack them up so high into a tower tall, but be careful that the tower doesn't fall.
Now let's find some things to draw, a happy work of art. 5 colorful crayons ready for us to start. We can draw a sunny sky or a great big green tree. 5 beautiful crayons for you and for me. Let's count the toys we found. Let's see what we've got. 1 bouncy ball, 2 toy cars, 3 rubber ducks, 4 building blocks, 5 crayons. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know a lot.
Do you love playing with toys?
We do too.
Ask your mom or dad for a little help to hit like and subscribe. And watch the magic happen. It helps us unbox more fun songs for you. Okay, let's see what else is in the toy box.
Counting up our toys, hip, hip, hooray. We can count and we can play all day. Learning numbers is the best game in the land, with all our amazing toy friends close at hand. Who's that sitting there? So fuzzy and so sweet. 6 teddy bears with cuddly little feet.
They're so soft and cuddly and they're always there for you. 6 fuzzy friendly teddy bears, me and you.
And what are these flat things? Let's take a little look. 7 puzzle pieces from our favorite book. Let's put them all together to see what we can make. A happy little picture, for goodness sake. And what are these fun things that spin around so fast? Spinning tops, what a happy blast. We give them a little twist and watch them spin and spin. Let the happy dizzy spinning fun begin. And who are these little guys with a great big mighty roar? Darling little dinosaurs, who could ask for more?
With a stompy, stompy foot and a roar, roar, roar. 9 happy little dinosaurs, the best toys by far.
And last inside our box, standing in a happy line, 10 smiling golds, looking mighty fine.
They're ready for an adventure, ready to go and play. 10 happy friendly dolls to brighten up our day.
The toy box is empty. We counted every friend. Our happy counting game is at an end. 1 ball, 2 cars, 3 ducks, 4 blocks, 5 crayons, 6 teddy bears, 7 puzzle pieces, 8 tops, 9 dinosaurs, 10 dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's play. You counted all the toys. You are a super toy counter.
Want to know a secret? Ask your mom or dad to help you hit like and subscribe. And watch the magic happen. We'll see you for our next playtime adventure.